Okay, we're going to start our afternoon session,
Vamos a empezar con nuestra sesión de la tarde
and we have a well-seasoned man of God,
y tenemos un hombre de Dios ya maduro en el Señor,
respected
muy respetado
in his nation and in other
en
nations.
su nación y otras naciones.
He also serves as a member of the executive committee of AFI.
También sirve como parte del comité ejecutivo de AFI.
So I'd like to introduce and welcome
Quiero
Gemma Nobre to come and to speak.
Quiero poder dar la bienvenida a
Are
Janet.
you speaking in Portuguese? Oh, Spanish, okay.
Él va a hablar en español.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon.
No que yo sea fluente en castellano, Pero
I'm not fluent in Spanish,
mas voy a hablar en castellano para facilitar la vida de los hermanos.
but I'm going to talk
Que
in
no.
Spanish so that it's easier for all the translation.
Ok. Y mi palabra en esta tarde no es como a de los hermanos que ministraron por la mañana, tanto llena de teología, de historia.
So my speeches this afternoon will be a little bit different than our brothers in the morning that have given you more theology and history.
Es más un testimonio de mi vida
It's more of a testimony of my own life
y del trabajo que yo he hecho
and the work that I've done
por 49 años.
for various years.
Yo era pastor en una ciudad chica interior de Brasil
I've been a pastor. I was a pastor in a small town in Brazil.
y para esta iglesia yo estaba viniendo de trabajo con indígenas en Amazonas
And I was doing some work in the Amazon as well.
y fue mi primer pastoreo.
That was my first pastoral experience.
Un año de casado y una niñita
It was a year after I was married,
y la iglesia era un poco trabajosa, no sé cómo sería,
and there was a lot of work to do for the church.
porque era un grupo formado por 3 denominaciones.
And it was hard, it was difficult because it was a group that was comprised of 3 denominations.
Para que tenga una idea, en la reunión los grupos se asentaban separados.
Just so you have an idea, in the meetings that we had, these different groups would sit as groups in different groups.
Y la denominación que me envió para allá fue como si me atirara de paracaídas.
And there was they sent me there to work with this group.
Y llegó un tiempo que yo no tenía que hacer porque no sabía qué hacer.
And there was a time that I was there and I was like, I don't know what I can do with this.
Fueron 2 años y medio en esa iglesia.
And I was there for 2.5 years.
Y yo tomé la decisión de salir.
And I made the decision, I'm leaving this.
Y fui para cerca de São Paulo.
And so I went to Sao Paulo.
Fui trabajar en la ensambladora Mercedes-Benz. Y la ensambladora, la fábrica
I went
Mercedes-Benz.
to actually work in the factories there in Sao Paulo.
Y avisé al Señor que no debería llamarme para el ministerio que yo no iba a atender.
And I told the Lord to never call me again for the ministry because I was never going to do it again.
No fue una oración, fue un aviso.
It wasn't a prayer, it was a notice.
Y como está escrito en Jeremías,
Like
Dios me engañó y engañado me quedé.
And like it says in Jeremiah, the Lord tricked me into doing things.
Y a los pocos Dios fue trayendo nuevamente al ministerio.
And little by little, the Lord brought me back into ministry.
Cuando yo percibí, estaba en el ministerio.
And when I decided that I was going to leave ministry,
Y ahí fue un otro trabajo para traer mi esposa junto conmigo.
and then it was a whole nother work to bring my wife also with me.
Pero Dios lo hizo. Dios lo hizo, Dios trajo a mi
But
esposa.
God did do that. We ended up both back in ministry.
Y empecé a pensar, ¿cuál fue la razón de una herida tan profunda?
But part of the reason behind a wound,
Y Dios me habló de la soledad en el ministerio.
because was something good came out of that, because God talked to me about loneliness in ministry.
Porque en esta denominación había la figura de un pastor de pastores,
Because in that denomination that I was before, there was the figure of a pastor of pastors.
mas realmente nunca me visitó, nunca estuvo conmigo en mis necesidades.
But I had no one with me in my necessities.
En causa de esta historia, yo tomé la decisión de nunca dejar un pastor solito si me pidiera ayuda.
And with this experience, I decided to never leave pastors alone in their necessities.
Y este es mi trabajo,
And that is my work.
hace más de 48 años.
That is what I'm doing now for more than 48 years.
No me preocupo con el nombre de ese trabajo.
And I'm not worried about the name of my job description.
Apóstol, que sea.
Maybe an apostle or whatever it could be.
Lo que Dios ha puesto en mi corazón de
What
estar
God
junto,
brought to my heart is to help,
estar junto de pastores solitos.
is to be with those pastors who are feeling lonely.
Durante 5 años más o menos eu estuve aqui em Europa. Cada año.
For 5 years, I came to Europe every year
Para estar com missionários abandonados.
to accompany missionaries that have been abandoned.
Porque depois do avivamento em Brasil, as igrejas enviaram miles de missionários para a
Because
Europa.
after the revival in Brazil, Brazil sent out thousands of missionaries.
E solamente enviou.
And all they did was send them out.
Dissemos que enviou com passagem solamente de ida, com boleto de ida.
They only bought them a one-way ticket, one out.
E deixaram abandonados.
And then they left them abandoned.
Encontramos casos terríveis.
And there was terrible different stories that were going on.
Então, com este transfondo,
So with that background,
eu queria mostrar algumas coisas na Escritura.
I would like to show you a couple things
E
in the Word of God.
e quero ler com vocês Hechos 20, 29.
And I'd like to read to you Acts 20:29.
Porque eu sei esto, que depois de mi partida vendrán entre vosotros lobos crueles, opresores, que não perdonarão al rebanho,
Because I know this, that after my departure there will come in among you cruel wolves, oppressors, who will not spare the flock.
e que se levantarão homens em meio de vosotros, hablando coisas perversas, para arrastrar tras si a los discípulos.
And that the men will rise up from among you, speaking perverse things, to draw away the disciples after them.
Bueno, ¿cuál es el contexto de este texto?
So the context of this text,
Pablo está en su cuarto viaje,
Paul is in his fourth travels,
en viaje para Jerusalén.
and travels towards Jerusalem.
Y él sabía que no iba a volver en Éfeso,
And he knew he was not going to go back to Ephesians
porque después de esto fue encarcelado, fue preso.
because he was imprisoned.
Entonces imagina el corazón de Pablo.
So imagine Paul's heart.
En el versículo 20, el 17, Pablo llama a los ancianos de Éfeso para Mileto y charla con ellos.
So Paul calls all the leaders from Ephesians to speak to them.
Y él habla de lo que hizo en los 2 años y medio que estuve en Éfeso.
And he spoke to them about the 2 years that he was with them.
Todos los días hablaba del reino de Dios.
And every day he talked about the kingdom of God.
Todo el día.
All day, that's what he talked about.
Era un pueblo en el cual Pablo había puesto su corazón.
And to a people where Paul has really placed his heart.
Y él no iba a volver más allí.
And he wasn't going to stay with them there.
Ahora, yo imagino que estaba sintiendo, porque él dice que va a haber 2 grandes ataques a esta iglesia en Éfeso.
And I imagine what he was feeling because he talks about two great attacks that church was going to have.
Ele habla de um ataque interno e um ataque externo.
He was talking about an internal attack that there was going to be placed and also an external one.
En el versículo 29, entonces,
And in the verse 29, it says,
ele diz, después de mi partida.
after I departure.
Imagina el corazón de Pablo.
So just think about Paul's heart.
Después que eu salga,
After I leave.
vendrán lobos
He
crueles
says, after I leave,
y
wolves are going
atacarán al
to come
rebaño.
that are going to try to attack you.
Pero ele habla de una cosa peor todavía.
And then he talks about something even worse.
Ele diz, mesmo en medio de vosotros.
He says, in the midst of you.
Los ataques externos son normalmente más fáciles de resolver.
External attacks are usually easier to resolve.
Pero cuando tú percibes los pastores que están caminando contigo, se cambiando en lobos voraces,
But he says that some of the pastors that are walking with you are going to convert into wolves.
¿qué harías tú
What
en el
would-
lugar de Pablo?
What would you do being Paul?
Tú no puedes hacer nada más,
Because you can't really do anything more.
porque estás yendo.
Because you're leaving.
Por eso Pablo apresenta el problema, pero él le da la solución.
And that's
En
why
ver-
Paul is presenting the problem to then come to a solution.
en versículo 31,
And in verse 31,
velad pues,
therefore watch,
acordándome de que durante 3 años no cesé de amonestar a cada de vosotros.
remember that for 3 years I did not cease night and day to admonish each one of you with tears.
La palabra aquí es velad,
The word here is to watch over.
como un soldado que está sobre el muro velando,
It's like a
mirando.
soldier on top of the wall that is watching.
Y el versículo 28 tiene la solución.
And in verse 28, he gives us the solution.
No solamente velando hacia afuera.
He's not only watching towards the outside.
¿Qué dice el versículo 28?
Look what the verse in 28 says that we have a little bit later.
Mirad pues por vosotros
It
mismos.
says, take heed therefore to yourselves.
Aquí es distinto de lo que está escrito.
This is
Cuando,
different than what was written. what
cuando
was said.
Pablo habla a Timoteo que dice, ten cuidado de ti mismo.
It's kind of like when Paul said to Timothy, be careful of yourself.
O sea, la propuesta de Pablo, la enseñanza de Pablo, es que no solamente un hombre, un obrero debe cuidar de sí mismo, de su santidad personal,
So what he's saying is that a man needs to watch over himself, over his own holiness,
pero no solamente eso, pero cuidar los unos de los otros.
and not only his own, but to watch this
Entonces,
for one another.
delante de una amenaza de se levantar lobos
So-
en medio del rebaño,
Amongst a threat, an external threat, we also have to look inside.
la solución es mirar los unos por los otros.
The solution is to watch over one another.
Ningún obrero
No worker
cae o se desvía del evangelio de un momento al otro. No se desvía del evangelio, no sale. Sí, de un momento al otro.
No worker or no one that leaves the gospel does it one day to the next.
Tú tienes una reunión linda, un tiempo lindo, domingo, y el lunes por la mañana tú dices, voy a adulterar.
Yeah, you don't have a nice meeting on Sunday and then Monday morning he's no longer with us.
No, no es así.
It's not that way.
El desvío es a los pocos. De a poco.
Yeah, the way someone leaves is little by little,
Pequeñas concesiones,
just by little decisions,
pequeñas desviaciones.
just little desviations.
Un pie que desvía
A foot that starts deviating
30 centímetros,
30 centimeters,
1 metro es más que esto.
and then later on a meter or more,
100 metros es más que esto.
and then 100 meters. is-
Entonces yo necesito de personas muy cerca de mí
So I have to take care of the people who are very close to me
para percibir cómo estoy saliendo del camino.
so I can perceive how they might be deviating from the path.
Cuando empiezo a tratar a mi esposa mal,
When I start treating my wife wrongly,
cuando yo largo una pequeñita herejía,
when I speak with just a very small heresy,
necesito de amigos cerca de mí.
the enemy's coming closer to me.
Amigos cerca de mí.
amigo.
Yo necesito de amigos cerca de mí
There's friends that are close to me.
para perceber cuando las orejas están
I
creciendo.
need friends close to me so that they can start pulling my ears and
No
tell me
orejas
what to
de
do.
ovejas, orejas de lobo. Cuando percibir la transformación,
We need to
chica,
be able to perceive those transformations.
necesitamos de amigos.
We need friends.
Entonces Pablo aquí está diciendo, mirar por vosotros
So what Paul is saying is you have to look at yourselves
y por el rebaño,
and for your brothers,
sobre el cual el Señor les puso como obispos
of which that the Lord has put you as presbyteries over them,
para pastorear
so
su
that you may
iglesia,
pastor the church
que Él ha comprado con su propia sangre.
that he has bought with his own blood.
Yo aprendí a no cambiar el orden de las cosas en la Escritura.
I have learned to not change the order in which the word is presented.
Y aquí el orden es cuidar de vosotros mismos y del rebaño.
And here it says the order is watch over yourselves and the people.
Pero lo que he encontrado en mi vida
What I found in my own life
es que los pastores no cuidan los unos de los otros porque están cuidando del rebaño. No cuidan los unos de los otros porque están cuidando del rebaño.
because some pastors are not watching over one another because they're watching over someone else
Es su mismo rebaño.
instead of his own. Los suyos. Los suyos, yeah. That someone needs to take care, you need to take care of your own pastors and not someone else's pastors.
Déjame hacer aquí una encuesta.
This is an example.
Y tú no necesitas contestar.
Okay?
Voy a preguntar y tú no necesitas responder. No tienes que
I'll ask a
responder.
question, you do not have to answer.
Quando tu estás preparando tua agenda de visita en la semana,
When you're preparing your agenda for the week,
¿tú pones tus compañeros de ministerio en primer lugar
Do
para
you-
visitarlos?
do you put your brothers and your companions as one of your first priorities?
No necesitas responder.
You don't need to answer that.
La agenda revela la visión.
Your agenda will reveal your vision.
Tu visión es demostrada en tu agenda.
And your vision, you should put your vision as part of your agenda.
¿Cuántos pastores
How many pastors
están cansados?
are very tired?
¿Cuántos pastores
How many pastors
están solitos?
are very lonely, are alone?
Algunos han olvidado que siguen siendo ovejas,
Some pastors have forgotten that they are also sheep.
porque pensan que cuando son ordenados al ministerio
Because they
dejan
think
de ser ovejas.
that one person, once he is ordained, he stops being a sheep.
Pero seguimos siendo ovejas.
But we still are sheep.
No importa el tiempo que tienes en el ministerio.
It doesn't matter how long you've been in ministry.
La figura que viene en mi cabeza es la oveja que tiene el cinito en el cuello.
The figure that I see, the image that I see, is the sheep that has the collar.
Y este aprendió el camino
And
del redil.
He learned the way that they should act,
Aprendió el camino del río, del agua.
and he learned the way the river flows, the water goes.
O sea, no dejó de ser oveja.
So it's
No ha
not,
dejado de ser oveja.
he hasn't stopped being a sheep.
Es una oveja más experiente,
He's a sheep with more experience,
pero sigue siendo oveja.
but he is still a sheep.
Y toda oveja necesita de pastor.
And that's the same way that pastors needs to be.
¿Algún amén por ahí? No.
Amen?
Una de las preguntas que puso,
One of the questions that was placed earlier,
¿tú estás pastoreando pastores?
are you pastoring pastors?
¿Y quién es tu pastor?
Who's that pastor?
¿Quién es la persona que toca en ti?
Who's pastoring you?
Para ser pastoreado,
To be able to be pastored,
yo necesito ver que soy oveja, acordar que
I
soy
need to
oveja.
remember that I am a sheep.
A nosotros nos gustamos de citar Salmo 23:1.
We like to read Psalm 23:1.
El Señor es mi pastor.
The Lord is my shepherd.
Hay algunas, como diría, revelaciones en esta primera parte del versículo.
There's some revelations right there in the first part of this verse.
Dice que Dios es el Señor
Is that the Lord is my Lord.
y el Señor es mi pastor.
And the Lord is my shepherd.
Y la verdad oculta, la verdad que está escondida por detrás,
The hidden, there's a truth that is hidden in there,
es que si el Señor es el pastor,
is that he says that the Lord is my shepherd.
yo soy oveja.
That means if the Lord's my shepherd, I am a sheep.
Mi abuelo criaba ovejas y cabrios. Cabrios se dice.
My grandfather would
Cabras,
grow
goats.
sheep and goats.
Cabras. Las ovejas siempre estaban donde la colocaba, ponía. Las ovejas siempre estaban donde él ponía sus ovejas.
The sheep were always where he would place the sheep.
Las cabras no.
But the goats were not.
Ponía dentro del corral,
They would put them inside the fence,
cuando llegaba estaba fuera.
and then a little while later, it was somewhere else.
Estaba fuera
If it was over there,
y entraba.
it wanted to be over here.
No se pastorea cabras,
You cannot shepherd over goats.
se pastorea ovejas.
You have to shepherd sheep.
Entonces necesitamos acordarnos
So we always need to remember
que somos ovejas.
that we are sheep.
La segunda cosa, debemos reconocer nuestra incapacidad.
And the second thing we need to recognize is our incapacity.
Solamente vamos buscar pastoreo si reconocemos que no conseguimos caminar solitos.
Is that we have to recognize that we cannot walk alone.
Déjenme contar una historia para ustedes.
Let me tell you a story.
A mí me gustaría de leer todo el texto de Génesis 29,
There's a context of Genesis 29.
pero voy a contar la historia porque todos saben lo que sucede.
I'm just going to say the story because you already know what happens in those verses.
Cuando Jacobo salió de su casa, está yendo para las tierras de Labón,
When Jacob was leaving his house and going to the east,
él llega en un pozo y allí en este pozo están 3 rebaños. ¿Se acuerdan?
he gets to where the water was, and near this was 3 flocks.
Y Jacob era un pastor.
And Jacob was a pastor.
Y cuando un hombre es pastor de corazón,
And when a man is a shepherd, a pastor in his heart,
él se importa, se preocupa con toda oveja.
he worries about all the sheep.
No se preocupa si él es el pastor de esta oveja
He is not
específicamente.
worried that he is the shepherd of the sheep.
Así sucedió con Jacob.
And that's the way it was with Jacob.
Cuando llega cerca del pozo, allí están 3 rebaños, Jacob les da una sugerencia.
And so when he gets to this well, Jacob finds 3 brothers with flocks and gives them this suggestion.
Y él dice, todavía es día, entonces dé agua a estas ovejas y lleva para el pasto.
Les dice que les...
Sugiere que los pastores le dé agua
He suggested that the shepherd should bring them water
y después lleva para el pasto.
and then take them to feed on the grass.
Y los pastores hablan una cosa muy interesante.
And they talk something interesting.
Él dice, no podemos.
They said, we cannot do this.
¿Qué significa este no podemos?
What does it mean when they say we cannot do this?
¿Significa que la piedra que tapaba el pozo era grande demasiado? ¿Significa que la piedra que estaba
It means that the stone that was on the well,
era demasiado pesada?
it was too heavy.
Y él decía, no podemos, no tenemos
Because they
fuerza.
were saying,
¿Es
no,
esto?
because we can't do it. Why? Because the stone was too heavy
No.
that was covering the well? No.
No, porque cuando Raquel está llegando,
Because when Rachel was getting there,
Y Jacob mira hacia Raquel,
And Jacob-
él saca la piedra.
And Jacob sees Rachel.
Solamente él.
He moves the stone, so it couldn't be that.
Y no me parece que fue la fuerza de la pasión por Raquel. No me parece que
And
fue.
I don't think it was the passion that he had for Rachel that he can move the stone. I don't think that's
Entonces,
what it was.
este no podemos significa otra cosa.
And so what that means is that we cannot do this meant something else.
Significa que ellos tenían una alianza.
It means that they had some sort of alliance.
Significa que eles trabajaban juntos.
It meant that they worked together.
E eles haviam decidido, quando todos estuvieran juntos, todos sacariam a pedra del poço.
And they decided that together, only together would they move the stone from the well.
Ou seja, aunque tuviera força,
And so even if you had the strength,
aunque pudiera ser por suas forças,
so even if you could do it with your own strength,
eles haviam decidido não trabalhar solitos.
they decided to not work alone.
E uma coisa que aprendi de ovelhas,
And so something that I learned,
se estão com sede ou se estão hambrientas,
if you're thirsty or you're hungry,
não se acostam.
do not lay down.
Pero essas estavam acostadas.
But they were laying down.
Sim?
Yeah.
Porque sabiam que quando todos os pastores chegaram, elas tinham sua sede saciada.
Because they knew that when the shepherd of all shepherds would come, that their thirst would be met.
Uma aliança entre eles,
An alliance between
de
themselves.
cuidar junto de los tres rebaños.
To protect together.
Me parece que aqui há uma lição.
And that's an interesting lesson.
Reconocer que
Recognize
necessitam los uns de los outros. Reconocer que necessitam los unos de los
we have
outros.
to recognize that we need one another.
E aunque tu sepas hacer solito, aunque tu sepas hacer solito,
Even though you know how to do things on your own.
decir yo no puedo hacer solito.
Say we cannot do this.
Es
and
una
we should not do
decisión.
this alone.
Andar solito es una decisión.
Because walking alone is also a decision we make.
Ahora, normalmente los que andan solitos tienen alguna enfermedad.
Normally the sheep that go are alone have some kind of disease.
Puede ser la dolencia, la enfermedad de la soberbia.
It might be maybe a weakness or a disease of being prideful
Puede ser orgullo.
or prideful. Same.
Romanos dice
In Romans it says
que nosotros no debemos tener de nosotros mismos más alto concepto.
that we should not think of ourselves with such a high concept.
Entonces, podemos decir, yo puedo hacer y voy a hacer.
Because we might say, oh no, I can do it, so that's what I'm going to do.
Es una tontería total.
That's not a smart thing to do.
No podemos. No podemos.
We cannot.
El camino no es la soledad.
The path is not a lonely path.
El camino es estar juntos para juntos hacermos la obra de
It's
Dios.
a path that we need to do together. Together we need to do the work of the Lord.
Bueno, hay una cosa que yo pensé un tiempo atrás, no está,
There was something that I thought a while ago. We don't have it on the
no
papers.
está en el bosquejo.
It's not in our papers.
Esto que es parte de un estudio muy grande.
This is part of a very large study.
Pero cuando uno toma la decisión de caminar solito,
When a person decides to walk alone,
no importa la motivación,
it doesn't matter the motivation.
es un camino para la destrucción. Destrucción. Sí.
It's the pathway to destruction.
No importa que movió a ti para andar solito, no importa.
It doesn't what moved you to walk alone.
Cuando uno decide andar solito,
When you decide to walk alone,
ele está teniendo más alto concepto de sí mismo.
you're having a too high of a concept of yourself.
Ele não tuvo uma compreensão de que ele solito é incapaz de cuidar del pueblo de Dios.
and don't realize that someone who is alone is incapable of going ahead with the kingdom of God.
Tempos atrás eu estava pensando em um fenômeno que sucede em algumas igrejas.
And there's some phenomenons that happen in some churches.
Não sei se ha sucedido contigo. Não sei se ha sucedido contigo o que
I
vou
don't know if it's
dizer.
happened to you before.
Uma oveja liga para ti em
a sheep.
lindo dia
A sheep comes, it's a nice day,
e diz para ti, querido, estou sentindo que devo ir para outro rebanho.
and a sheep comes to you and says, Pastor, I think I need to go to another flock.
A primeira pergunta que haces, ¿qué hizo yo?
And the first question you ask yourself is, wow, what did I do?
¿Tú estás amarga, que se diz? Amarga?
Are you bitter against the person? Or
Conmigo?
are you bitter with me?
¿Qué hizo yo de equivocado?
What did I do that was mistaken?
Y la persona, no, está todo bien contigo, pero
And the person
siento
says,
que
no.
devo ir para outro rebanho.
Everything is good with you. I just feel like I need to go to another flock.
E pido tu bendición para salir. Y la oveja, te pido tu bendición para que eu me
I'm just
vaya.
asking for your blessing so that I can go to another flock.
¿Ya ha acontecido esto con alguno de ustedes? ¿Sí? ¿No?
Has that ever happened in any of your churches?
¿Qué haces tú? ¿Tú bendices?
What do? Do you say, yes, you have my blessing?
Dificilmente bendecimos.
It's a difficult task to bless the person.
Porque tu perguntas, se não há nada entre ti e eu, por que estás saliendo?
Because they say, but if there's nothing between you and me, then why are you leaving?
A pessoa, eu não sei, pero estou sentindo de Deus.
And the person says, I don't know, I just feel it from God.
Então tu passas por várias estações.
And so he goes through different seasons.
La primeira é desapontamento, se diz desapontamento, decepção.
The first one is a sort of disappointment.
A segunda coisa é a maldição.
The second step is to curse the person.
Tu dizes, bueno, tu vas a volver.
No, you will see what's going to happen to you.
Esto está dizendo que a pessoa vai ser maldecida já.
And so what he's telling the person basically is that the person will be cursed
E
wherever he goes.
dia vai volver.
And he'll come back to me.
Então, tu echas sobre a pessoa tipo de maldição.
So it's kind of like saying that you're putting over the person a sort of a curse.
Pero, passado tempo, tu encontras com esta pessoa na calle.
But after a while, you find this person on the street.
E essa pessoa está melhor do que estava em tua presença.
And then you realize that that person is actually a lot better than he was when he was with you.
E esta é a estação da perplexidade. Sim.
And that is the stage of perplexity, where you're
Porque
astonished.
a pessoa está melhor
You're astonished because the
do que
person
quando estava contigo.
is actually better than when he was with
E
you.
Senhor, o que sucede?
And then you say, oh Lord, what's going on?
E quando eu estava pensando nisto,
And when you're thinking about that,
eu pensei que somos pastores, obreiros, cada tem tipo de nutriente.
and I was thinking that it's like the shepherds have a certain kind of nutrition to be able to give.
E assim como em algumas manhãs nos levantamos com vontade de comer alguma coisa distinta,
And sometimes it happens to all of us. We wake up in the morning and every day we feel like maybe eating something a little bit different.
esse é tu corpo em búsqueda de nutriente distinto que
And
está
that
necessitando.
can be our bodies looking for certain nourishment that it needs.
Assim também sucede na igreja.
And that happens as well in church.
Tu estás ministrando segundo os nutrientes que tienes.
You're ministering according to the nutrients you can give.
E a pessoa cresceu hasta el máximo de lo que poderia suprir.
And sometimes the people grow to the maximum amount of what you can
E
nourish.
ela
him.
sai de aqui e vai para outro lugar e recebe outro tipo de
And then he
nutriente.
leaves yours and goes somewhere else and receives a different kind of nourishment.
E juntando o nutriente novo com o nutriente anterior, há uma potenciação.
And when they receive a different kind of nutrient than yours, there's a
Y ela-
potential that is grown
Ela cresce mais.
and the person grows more.
Qual é o problema?
But what's the problem?
Quando Deus nos levanta em las cidades,
When the Lord makes us grow in the cities,
o Senhor não vê igrejas.
The Lord does not see churches.
Él ve la iglesia.
He sees the church.
Y Él levanta hombres con nutrientes distintos para toda la iglesia.
And He raises up men and women to
Pero ¿qué
give
hacemos
nutrient
¿Qué hacemos?
for His people.
Desculpa. Pero ¿qué hacemos nosotros? Mantenemos esas ovejas con nuestro nutriente.
But what do we want to do? We always want to keep that sheep
O sea-
only with the nutrients that we can give him.
O sea, limitamos el crecimiento de las
So we
ovejas.
limit the growth that the sheep could have.
Porque Dios no pensó en nosotros para un grupo. Dios
Because
ha
God did not
pensado,
think of us for only one group.
Dios ha pensado en nosotros para toda la iglesia.
God thought of each and every one of us for the whole church.
Dios nos ha reconocido como pastor de la iglesia bautista.
God did not recognize us as leaders in the Baptist church
Ni siquiera de la iglesia presbiteriana o
or the
metodista.
Presbyterian church or whatever church.
Dios nos ha reconocido para su iglesia.
God has recognized us for His church.
Y en causa de nuestra división, el pueblo está se enflaqueciendo.
And because of our own division, the people is who are suffering.
El pueblo necesita de todos los carismas y dones
Because
que Él ha
the
puesto en
people
nuestras
need, the
vidas.
people need from all the gifts.
Entonces, cuando nos separamos,
So when we separate,
perjudicamos el rebaño.
we can cause damage to the flock.
Cuando dejamos un hombre solito
When we leave a man on his own
y permitimos que él se enferme,
and we let him get sick,
estamos perjudicando el rebaño del Señor.
we are damaging the flock of the Lord.
Entonces necesitamos cuidar de otros pastores.
So we need to be careful and take care of the other pastors.
Necesitamos de tener tiempo con otros
We
pastores,
need to spend time with the other pastors.
visitarlos,
Visit them.
escuchar,
Listen.
muchas veces charlar con la esposa.
A lot of times we need to speak as well to their wives.
Porque la esposa es más
Because the wife is more
abierta. Nosotros no. Más
more
abierta.
open. Sometimes the husband not so much.
Antes de ordenar un pastor, un obrero,
Before ordaining a person,
un tiempo antes,
a little bit before that,
a mí me gusta de charlar con la esposa.
I always go and speak with the wife.
Y una de las cosas que le pregunto,
And one of the things I ask the wife,
¿quién es tu pastor?
I ask her, who is your pastor?
Si hay una hesitación, por más pequeña que sea,
And if there's some hesitation, as small as it may be,
no hay ordenación.
then there will be no ordination.
Si pregunto, ¿quién es tu pastor? Él dice, bueno,
If I say, who's your pastor? And she says, well,
no hay ordenación.
there's no ordination.
Necesitamos escuchar a las esposas.
We need to be with the wives.
Necesitamos escuchar a los hijos.
We need them to be together.
Necesitamos de pastoreo sobre nuestra familia.
And we need
No solamente sobre los
pastorship
hombres,
over them as well, and for us.
pero sobre toda la familia.
And especially over the family.
Necesitamos
We need.
que el Señor nos ayude.
And may the Lord help us with
Que el
this.
Señor ponga en nuestro corazón
Because may the Lord put in our hearts
esta palabra de Pablo.
what this word is saying, what Paul is saying.
Mirad
Watch over
por vosotros.
for the others.
Mirad por vuestros colegas de ministerio.
Watch for our colleagues in the
Ve cómo
ministry.
está.
Look how they are.
Visítales.
Visit them.
El año pasado estuve en Mozambique. Estuve en Mozambique el año
I
pasado.
was in Mozambique last year.
Y estoy yendo a Mozambique desde 2007.
I've been going there since 2007.
Y yo fui allí para estar con 5 pastores.
And I was there to be with pastors.
De ellos falleció.
One of them that passed away.
Y este mensaje que estoy trayendo aquí
And the message that I'm bringing here
es una palabra que les he dado vez tras vez, vez tras
is
vez.
a word that I've given them over and over again.
Y eles compreenderam que necessita cuidar los unos de los otros. Y ellos compreenderam que necessitam cuidar los unos de los otros,
I'm
los
still
pastores.
learning that we need to watch over one another.
E mais ou menos 2, 3 anos atrás eu compreendi que eu não necessitava mais volver em Moçambique.
And 2 or 3 years ago, I realized that I didn't have to go back to Mozambique.
porque eles estão caminhando bem.
because now they are walking good together.
Pero por una cuestión de corazón,
But I still have that in my heart.
quería verlos.
I want to see them.
Entonces fuimos ali em julho.
The Lord put on my heart to see them, so we went there in July.
Tivemos encontro de jóvenes, mais ou menos 600 jóvenes.
We had a retreat, a meeting with youth, like some 600 youth.
E eu lhe perguntei quantos pastores vão venir no retiro,
And I said, how many pastors are coming to this retreat?
o retiro de pastores, não?
Pastor's retreat.
Eles me disseram bem solamente 84,
They said only 84.
porque nós queríamos mostrar a ti os pastores que estão aliançados, como seria.
Because we only want to bring the ones that are in alliance with us or together with us.
São muito mais pastores.
There's a lot more pastors.
Deles
One of them,
é jefe de uma denominação com mais de 500 pastores.
one of them is a main pastor of a denomination that has 500 pastors.
Pero eles quiseram trazer solamente os que estavam, me foi a palavra,
Alianzados.
aliançados.
Sí. But they only wanted to bring the ones that were in alliance with them.
E esses 4 pastores estão cuidando de mais de 80,
And these
Viajando.
couple are over 84,
viajando por todo o país,
and they went all around Spain,
cuidando de pastores.
just taking care of other
Que o
pastors.
Senhor nos ajude.
And may the Lord help
Que o
us.
Senhor ponha em nosso coração
May the Lord put in our hearts
cuidar de aqueles que estão trabalhando conosco no
to be
ministério.
able to also work with those who are working for others.
Mirad vosotros por vosotros mismos
It says, look out at yourselves
y por el rebaño.
and for the flock.
Ese es el orden.
That's the order
Que Dios nos bendiga.
that may the
Muchas
Lord
gracias.
bless us in doing this.